Hi, Frank Trillip here, and it's Friday. And as I'm sitting here, I'm thinking about the thousands of ADAS-equipped vehicles that are being delivered today to a consumer or a vehicle owner that have not received a properly performed or documented post-repair, post-calibration test drive, or as Sika calls it, a dynamic systems validation. Now, if you want to know the number one reason why this isn't being done, well, what I'm hearing from the industry is they're not properly performing or documenting test drives on ADAS vehicles because they don't get paid for it. Now, to me, that's a pretty poor excuse. Does a repairer get paid for professionally greeting a customer when they arrive at their business? Does a repairer get paid for accurately and properly completing a repair plan? Does a repairer get paid for properly and accurately ordering parts? I don't think so. So why should a properly performed and documented test drive be any different? A properly performed and documented test drive not only validates that the ADAS systems on that vehicle being delivered to the customer actually operate as designed, it also ensures who performed that test drive got the vehicle the appropriate speed, drove the vehicle for the appropriate time, drove the vehicle for the appropriate miles. Also documents where the vehicle was driven, who performed that test drive, and all of that helps reduce liability, increase transparency, and improve trust. Now, is it going to take another John Eagle event to get this industry to properly perform and properly document post-repair, post-calibration test drives? God, I hope not. Anyway, just my Friday rant. Industry, get with the program and start properly performing and documenting post-repair, post-calibration test drives on ADAS-equipped vehicles. Thanks.